This is what Pharaoh Sesostris II, also known as Sesostris II, looked like. This is another depiction of him. You can clearly see that there is some sort of similarity between both statues. Both statues carrying the same types of features is a great sign of accuracy, meaning that he certainly looked like this. He was a king of the 12th dynasty and devoted himself to the peaceful exploitation of Nubia, Kemet's territory to the south. He initiated the development of Al-Faygm, a great oasis-like depression west of the Nile River and southwest of Cairo. This is what his great-grandfather Amenemhet I looked like. He was the founder of the 12th dynasty. Here is another depiction of him sitting, painted with very dark brown skin. Based on all that data, I decided to recreate the face of Sesostris II based on his depictions, and here is the result. What do you think about it? Is it accurate?